Hi kitty cats. So today we're going to take a look at our Boxycharm. I seem a little out of breath or anything. I have not been feeling very well. So, here we go. I've got this one, Boxycharm, invite only. Got this ready to go. Put in some paper. What is this? Makeup brush cleaner. That's always useful. I usually wash my makeup with soap. This is Bodyography Makeup Brush Cleaner. It's a $19 product. Quick and easy way to cleanse and disinfect your artistry brushes. Made from natural orange peel and gentle cleansers, this makeup brush cleanser will get the job done while satisfying your senses. This product is also vegan, cruelty-free, and comes in recyclable packaging. Well, that's nice. Yeah, it's recyclable. At least it is here. 4 full ounces. I mean, we'll see. I think this is more for like spraying your brushes in between like major brush cleaning. So I probably could use this. What is in here? Oh, hey honey, yay! Thick Trick and Treat lip balm. I've actually used this lip balm before and really liked it. I think this is a different, I don't remember it being berry though. With natural tint, I think this might be new for them to have tinted ones. That's nice. That looks like I would like that very much. And that is a $23 lip balm. Which is crazy, right? I mean, Hey Honey products are really expensive, but I also really like them. So, I have a lot of lip stuff these days, though. Okay, next thing is the Trustyk foundation stick. So, okay. It has the same packaging as most Trustyk products. It's a big old stick of foundation, I guess. Let me find it on here. Trustyk foundation stick. It's a $30 product. A buildable foundation that helps protect against the harmful effects of blue light. The weightless cream-based formula glides on effortlessly for a medium finish. Has a carrot complex. Okay. Hydraulic acid, blah blah. The built-in sponge applies foundation seamlessly. Okay, so that should be interesting to use and try out for that. And then we've got this big old product in here. It is Refresh Reset Brightening Mud Mask. Ooh, a mask. I have a lot of masks. I'm not taking that out of the package right now. Let me find it on here. Glow on 5th Refresh and Reset Brightening Mud Mask. It's a $30 product. Okay, and the last product is the Primrose and Cream Lip and Cheek Cream Palette. I'm not much for cream blushes, so don't know how I'm gonna feel about this little palette. Let's open it up. I mean, 3 colors. Very dark for blush for me. I think this Might be something I just pass on to somebody else. It's not really something that I want for myself, but one of my friends might enjoy it. In fact, I think I know who would like that. So, there we go. That was everything. Not my most favorite Boxycharm. Last month's was really good. October's was great. This one, sorry, this is my boyfriend yelling at the cats in the background. But we'll see. I mean, this foundation stick looks great. Plus a Hey Honey product, which I love. We'll see if I like this mask. It wasn't really awful. It just, nothing like stood out to me as an oh my god product. Probably this would have been it, but I just don't go for cream cheek products very much, and they were way, in my opinion, too dark for my skin. So it might do better with somebody with a different skin tone, because those seem really dark. What are the names of those colors? Brown Butter, Rosy Pink, and Deep Rose. I mean, the Rosy Pink seemed kind of dark for pink to me, but that's just me. And maybe it's the lighting in here. I don't know. So anyways, thanks for watching. Stay safe. And please give this video a thumbs up. And subscribe and share. It helps me out a lot. Bye-bye, kitty cats.